Namaskar students. Today I am going to discuss the basic difference between marketing and sales. But before we start, I would like to give you a definition given by Kotler, which summarizes the concept of marketing in almost all the aspects. It's a very comprehensive definition. Definition goes like this, I'll just read. Marketing is an organizational function and a set of process for creating, communicating and delivering value to customers and for managing customer relationships in the way that benefit the organization and its stakeholders. So when we talk about marketing, it comprehensively talks about creation, communication and delivering value to the customers. And it is towards enhancing customer relationship, that is called CRM also. And all its stakeholders are the beneficiary of that, whether it is government, whether it is customer, whether it is the organization, employee, employer. Every stakeholder is going to benefit from a marketing organization. So now we'll start with most of the students are facing this problem when it comes to differentiating between selling and marketing. Now we'll go point by point. First is, in case of selling, the emphasis is on the product, whereas the focus in the marketing is the need, want and satisfaction level of the customer. Basically it is around what customers are looking for. If as a marketer we are able to deliver the products according to that, then we are successful. So it is the need or the want driven marketing which is successful. But in case of selling, it is not like that. It is, in nutshell, the more emphasis is on the product and after producing the product, the organization tries to sell it. So it does not involve any way the want, satisfaction and need of the customers. The second point is, in case of selling, the company first makes the product and then they try to figure out that how to sell this particular product. And most of the organization, those who believe that they are doing good in terms of sales, might not be doing very good in terms of marketing also, because it is very difficult to change the course of production, whereas a predetermined kind of production is being taken place. But a truly marketing organization will always gauge and will try to give product according to the market requirements. So in case of marketing, the company first decides to whom they want to satisfy in terms of needs and wants, and then they are trying to fulfill that particular gap required by the customer. Then in case of selling, third point, it is sales volume oriented. That means the company's success lies in selling more and more. But in case of management, of course they also require sales, but it is more of goal oriented. It is more of, say, most possible goal is profit oriented. But profits, it will come through customer satisfaction, it will come through loyalty, it will come through word of mouth communication, it will come through referrals, it will come through retention of loyal customers. So these all aspects, they are not taken into selling. Selling is purely selling. I mean, even the repeat customers are very, very less in case of selling, because it is more of a transaction, not in a long-term orientation. Now it comes to fifth point, that is, in case of sales, the planning is normally short-term oriented. They only seek towards immediate transactions, markets and products. But in case of marketing organization, they have a long-term vision. If you see this present scenario of the market of cars, people are spending a lot of money in terms of R&D, organizations rather, of making hybrid technology cars, making battery operated cars, making electrical operated cars, or the cars which can run on the alternative fuels. Why? Because keeping in view the way the ecological environmental concerns are going, the organizations who will be able to give you a better substitute as compared to petrol or diesel vehicle or CNG vehicle, and that will be commercially viable also, will be more prone to usage by mass customers. I mean, people have started already seeing that now it is the time of electric, better efficient electric operated vehicle which will have less drain on the pollutions and many aspects. So organizations are working day and night on those technologies. The day will come also when they will become commercially viable also. It has happened in case of solar technology also. Initially the solar technology was very costly, but now gradually the things are coming in the budget of customers, and in the coming times it will be affordable for all levels. Last is that in case of selling, the product comes first before the customer. I mean, first they come up with a product, then they try to sell it, then they try to find customers for it. But in case of marketing, it is the customer who rules everything, right from product mix, right from marketing, right from product mix, placement mix, production mix, and promotion mix. Everything is guided by keeping in view the customer relationship, customer satisfaction, customer needs. So friends, with this I summarize this. I hope by virtue of this video you will be able to clearly decipher the difference between marketing and sales. I'll repeat again once the gist of all the things. It is not the activity which differentiates selling and marketing. Maybe you are doing same kind of activities, similarly named activities like production, marketing, sales, advertising, promotions. Everything you are doing in selling also, everything you are doing in the marketing also. But it is the orientation which matters. Orientation is, or marketing is customer oriented. Marketing starts with the customer first, whereas sales, customer takes a back seat. With these words, I thank you all, and if you really like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe the channel also. That will give me the motivation to give you more insights into the marketing topics. I'll try to cover more marketing topics in the coming videos. Thank you very much. Thank you.